The United Ways that serve Northumberland, Snyder, and Union counties have merged to form an even greater Susquehanna Valley United Way. The United Way continues to adapt to new challenges by working on the priorities for impact, the greatest problems facing our communities. The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way addresses poverty issues by helping to establish a dental clinic which serves uninsured and low-income people in our area.
Our clinic's name is the Susquehanna River Valley Dental Health Clinic, and our goal is to provide dental care to people who otherwise could not afford it. And as a result, we have established a clinic here in Sunbury with a full-time dentist, 2 part-time dentists, and a dental hygienist. In our clinic, we see little kids to older people, and for example, last month we saw over 400 patients in our clinic. This is one of the few places in our area and in the state that is seeing medical assistance patients. Well, the alternative before we opened was running to the emergency room. That was, I understand, sometimes 25% of the patients that were in the emergency room could be dental related. We're beginning to realize that good oral health is extremely important for your overall health. The other thing we really emphasize is good preventive techniques. So we spent quite a bit of time educating the patient on how to take care of their mouth.
That's very good.
We literally have changed people's lives. When a person can't smile, is self-conscious about themselves, it contributes to a lot of problems. They don't want to go in for a job interview, they're embarrassed, their social life stinks. So we are giving people a smile and actually restoring their self-image, which makes our clinic so important and makes me feel darn good about what we're doing in this community.
The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way supports quality child care programs so parents can hold down good jobs while knowing their children are receiving quality care.
This is one of my favorite stories.
Our children are better able to learn when they get to school if they're prepared before they get there. And quality early care programs make that possible. The United Way is truly committed to the betterment of our children, and one of the ways that they've looked at focusing on that is the establishment of a new Working Families Opportunity Grant to help working families access quality early child care. The reason that the United Way's support is having, I think, such a big impact on our communities is the fact that it has the ability to affect us in the short term through the development of the quality child care programs in our region to actually provide affordable care. It also means that we're seeing the long-term effects of the programs that the United Way is supporting, which is higher graduation rates, the likelihood that people will stay out of prison as they go through their school and graduate from high school. And then a lot of those students are also now going on to higher education. So by partnering with the United Way to support early care and education, we're actually investing in our workforce of the future. I know that my employers who are here now and will grow and expand in the future have the employees that they need today and in the future, which assures them of continuing to be successful.
The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way has led the way in identifying our community's greatest needs, our priorities for impact.
The priorities for impact were community needs that were developed out of surveys that we did a number of years ago, as well as surveys that others have done since then. It's important for the United Way to be able to be involved as a catalyst in order to meet those needs. We can't do things alone. We need the resource of the whole community to be able to do this, but acting as a catalyst for it is important because somebody has to identify the problem, look for a solution, and then marshal resources to be able to bring about change.
The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way is uniquely positioned to address our priorities for impact, which include improving public transportation, helping at-risk teens, drug and alcohol abuse, breaking the cycle of poverty, quality childcare, and diversity issues facing our growing population.
Live United is a phrase that enables everybody to focus on solving problems together. We're not just Northumberland County, Snyder County, or Union County. We're the Susquehanna Valley, and we're working together, and we're living united to solve the problems of our communities.
The thing that we've seen, particularly with our United Way here in the Susquehanna Valley, is that they're interested in all of those components that make quality of life so important. Whether it is transportation systems, whether it's access to medical care, whether it is access to quality early childhood programs, they're on the forefront of looking for ways to integrate successful programs and evidence-based programs into the things that the United Way is supporting.
The new, even greater Susquehanna Valley United Way serves over 125,000 people and supports 37 funded agencies in Snyder, Union, and Northumberland counties. 99% of the money raised here stays here to strengthen our local communities. The greater Susquehanna Valley United Way will make our communities stronger if we work together and live united.